So the head wraps are long. They're 6 feet long, 2 feet wide. This one's really stretchy. Stretchy ones are easy to work with because if you're a beginner wrapper, it's easy for you to tug and pull however you like. So I am going to let you have a bang in the front, and I'm just going to wrap your crown like a headband, okay? So I'll hold it. You want to take your earrings off? I don't want to stand up. So it's good. You kind of have two, have it equal on each side, depending on what type of look you're going for. Since I'm just going to do like a halo around her, which is just a small twist, it doesn't matter if I do short or long on either side.
And I know you all are getting a sneak peek, so but if you still need to come to the show.
Right, on February the 21st. So another tip is if you don't tie in the back like a shoe knot, it keeps the tension from the back of your neck off. So you just want to just do it like that. I don't want her to be like, this hair wrap is a mess. I can't use it. There's 2 looks you can do from this.
Okay, Doris. Okay.
You want ears in or out? So when I'm done, I'm going to pull your ears out, okay? And you just go like this. You want to add some texture on the side. But is it too tight? A little bit. Loosen the tension like this. What about that? Is this better? When it's stretchy, it's easy to loosen up your tension around it. And you see you can create some drama in the front just by twisting it. So to close it, which is always another thing, don't have to worry about it. We don't do hemmed ends only because you don't want to see no beginning or no end to your head wrap. You want it to look limitless. And from there, now you pop them earrings on, honey. She is good to go. If you want to wear it down and long, she can even do it up. Put her a little pony right here and be a little drama. Either way. How does it feel? Does it feel tight? Good? Too tight? All right. Then let's get your husband going.
Reggie, what you gonna do with that? What you gonna do with that, boy?
I don't know.
Wait, so you know these curls. You want your curls out?
Yeah.
Oh, look at them. Okay. Curls out.
Yeah.
Okay. That's how he got you with them curls.
Yeah.
Oh, what did you say?
Because it's a guy, I'm just going to do a simple halo look, leave his curls out like he said, and it's just going to go around his crown as if it is a crown, correct? Taji means crown in Swahili, hence the name. So for him, I am going to go short on one side, long on the other. Same concept, twist.
Look how she looking at him.
I'm good.
You good?
Change my name.
What you gonna call yourself? What?
Habibi.
Habibi, okay.
This is a fantastic tutorial.
Thank you. I do what I can. 8 years in the game. Look
Celebrating
at
8
Habibi.
years.
Look at Habibi.
Baby.
Look at Habibi.
Look how Doris looking at BB. Doris, what you gonna do with that?
What do it feel like?
Ah, you still gonna get to him, huh?
How y'all think? What y'all think?
But that's like a bald heads.
Ball heads, all that. Ball heads, everything. Everything. Can I get a picture of you two together? Or in front of the gathering place? Sign.
Desi, tell them what's going on.
February the 21st here at the gathering place, 6 to 8. It's going to be a wrap and sip, baby.
Oh yeah, check us out here at the gathering place.